Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle is featured the Z71 package with our black metallic paint and alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, full-line truck bed, as well as backup camera, heated seats, and heated steering wheel. Now onto the interior of the Silverado. On our door panel we can see we have our chrome door handle, as well as our window and mirror controls, wood trim, Bose speaker, and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. And left of the steering wheel we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive, and lighting controls, as well as our electric park brake. Our gauge cluster with screen. Multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with black Chevrolet badge in the middle. Our push start. Infotainment screen with backup camera, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below we have our radio controls and dual zone climate controls, heated seat options, and vehicle controls underneath. Our charging outlets, trailer brake option, and textured rubber storage. You can see our key with our power tailgate release and remote start. Two cup holders, padded leather center console lid with phone holder up top. And then the front seats are featured in black leather. Once again, they are heated with lumbar support. Above the rear view mirror, we have OnStar controls, reading lights, and 3 garage door openers. Back on the exterior, we can see our Z71 badging in red and white, our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps in black, paint match mirror caps and door handles, chrome lock and unlock button there for the driver, and then rear privacy tint. Down to the back, we have a paint matched bumper with bumper steps, hitch underneath, as well as dual exhaust. Then our Silverado and RST badging, Chevrolet recessed into the tailgate, and full-line truck bed with Chevrolet bow tie at the front. Onto the rear interior now, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our wood trim, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats, we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our rear cup holders and charging outlets. Then we have our rear seats, fold-out storage seats, and fold-down center seats with 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.